Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene. I'm sitting here making some necklaces. These are going to have to be some really quick necklaces. What I'm using is some of the glass and plastic beads that I got in my Hobby Lobby haul. I'm using the bone bead and then some of those glass beads. And then remember, I bought a bunch of the gold charms. So what I did with these charms, because they're not the real expensive ones, I put a layer of clear fingernail polish over these, and that should make them last a little bit longer. And then what I did at the top right here, I doubled the wire and then I folded it over. And then this is what we got for necklaces. And remember, I'm still working on necklaces for the one of the platforms that I am adding product to, and I'm only going to be selling necklaces. So with these necklaces, because I do have a lot of the beads left, I got a bunch of these left. I have a handful of the bone beads left. I'm gonna go get some more of these tomorrow at Hobby Lobby and see if some of these other beads are available. These plastic and glass beads. They did have these in black, so the outer plastic part was black, and then it had the glass bead right here. So I'm gonna see if they still have some at Hobby Lobby tomorrow when I go. And I'm gonna try to make a nice number of these type necklaces only because I have so many beads. So what I'm doing is I cut 7 inches of wire, and all I'm gonna do is go ahead and roll the end, roll that over, and then that way I got my nice little hoop. And then I am putting 5 of the beads on here. So we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3. See if I can find some thick ones. 3, 4. And then let's go with number 5. So we're gonna put 5 of these glass beads, like so. It'll look like this. And then I'm gonna take 1 of the bone beads and put that 1 bone bead on there. It'll look like this. And then I'm going to take 1 of these glass and plastic beads. We'll go ahead and slide this on if I can. If not, we'll have to grab another bead to see if that one will slide on. So that's really something how some of these are working and some won't because the hole is smaller. Somebody was telling me about one of those little drills I can buy. I might have to invest in one of those. Okay, so that one just literally slid right on. Okay. And then I'll use my pliers to pull it. And then you notice this is what it looks like. So all I'm going to do is take the wire. I'm going to start about here. And then I'm going to pinch it. Fold it over. And then as I fold it over, it looks like this. And the reason why I'm folding it is because I want that twisted look. So what I'm going to do now is just start twisting the wire. And as I twist the wire, it begins to look twisted like that. And that's what I want. So I'm going to keep wrapping it until I can't wrap it anymore. And then I'm going to take my pliers and just flatten it right up here. And then once that's flattened, that piece of wire that's left, I'm going to bend that up. And this is what we have. Try to straighten that out. And then I'm going to take it and pinch it like I normally do. Pinch the wire, fold it over, and then it looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is start wrapping that wire right on around. And then just keep wrapping it until I can't wrap it anymore with my fingers. And then I'm going to use my pliers to fold it over. Let me use these and just kind of roll the end of it. So roll it around. And then we'll flatten it on there. So what we just did is flatten that wire. So now I'm going to take this piece of wire and then fold that around. And then just close that right on. And make sure you don't feel anything poking, nothing at all. And then take the bottom and hold it because I want to get it at least like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a charm on here. Let's just grab one just for the sake of time. Easier said than done. Let's just grab something for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the bottom part, unhoop it, put my charm on here. Go ahead and close it back like so. And then we have this necklace, and then let's put it on a chain. And you guys know I just got 33 feet of this chain. I really don't like it because the length is so, the length is small. So what I'm going to do is order some more chain with the bigger jump rings and stuff. That way I don't have to put so much effort into putting the jump rings on it, putting the lobster clasp on it, and then I can just kind of, the production will be a whole lot better. So we have a really quick, easy necklace, just that fast. And let me make sure it's lined up like it's supposed to be. So. And then this is what it's supposed to look like. Let's see. And then we want to make sure our little part is. So we got 3 of these, and because I have so many supplies, I can make a lot of them. And that's what the plan is. The plan is to make as many of these necklaces as I possibly can with the supplies that I have. Really doesn't matter what the charm looks like because I don't have charms that are exact. So in this case, when I do post the product on the platform that I'm going to be selling these at and in bulk, I'll just specify assorted, assorted pendant necklaces or something like such. That way, whoever buys them, they'll know, that there's a difference. And then plus there's a picture too. So, they'll be cool. Got a 3-day weekend coming up. Who else is off for the next 3 days? Let me know what you guys got planned and what you're making, what's going on. All the new subscribers, I want to thank you for hanging out here on the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I do hope that whatever it is that you saw or heard inspired you to click subscribe. And I do hope that you see more of that or hear more of that. Be sure to share whatever it is that you make. You can go over to the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone, post your pictures over there, ask questions over there. A lot of good information for resources, all that good stuff. Let me see here. The charms and the chain you can find in my Amazon store. The other, I think I got these maybe at Hobby Lobby. The bone beads I got at Hobby Lobby, and these little beads right here too. But a lot of good selection over there in the Amazon store. But guess what, family? We'll talk.